Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, which is a bit tricky because there have been some internal issues, but we're going to help you set things up if or when that happens. So Hamster Kombat, if you type it on Google, it's going to show you this. So a lot of people think that Hamster Kombat can be downloaded from the Play Store or App Store. So if you tap Hamster Kombat, we're using BlueStacks for this. As you can see here, there's a lot of fake stuff here that's using the Hamster Kombat stuff, but that's not what we are looking for. So Hamster Kombat is access through Telegram. So you can do this on your mobile device or on your computer or laptop. And for this example, we're going to do this on the PC or your computer. So you need to have Telegram desktop uploaded. You can try using Telegram web like this. Just access Telegram via your browser, but it is much better if you download Telegram desktop. So if you click download Telegram desktop, all you need to do is click on Telegram for Windows X4 and you will be able to download the app on your PC, whether Windows 10 or 11. And once that's done, this is what it is. It's going to look like pretty much the same as mobile, right? It's the same. So once you have Telegram installed on your computer, or if you use the mobile, the browser version doesn't matter. Go to hamsterkombatgame.io or just search for Hamster Kombat or just search for Hamster Kombat on Google and it's going to be the first option. So click that again. We're going to be brought to this page and all you need to do is click on play. Now make sure that your Telegram is logged in. Play now and this pop-up will appear. Always allow. Then open Telegram desktop. Now as you can see here, we're going to have Hamster Kombat pot. And the next thing we need to do is click on start. After that, quick start. There you go. It's a bit laggy and there are a few things here. It says, hello, welcome to Kombat. You are now director of a crypto exchange. Which one you choose? Blah, blah. Start with this or click play or click play one. Click subscribe. You get subscribed to the channel. And number 3 is how to earn from the game. So this is very important. Click that and so that you'll understand how you can actually earn from the game. Let's wait for it to load and there you go. Says you are how to play Hamster Kombat full version of this guide. Tap to earn. Tap the screen and collect earn. It's pretty AFK. Mine upgrade cards that will give you passive income opportunities. Profit per hour. This exchange will work for you on its own even when you are not in the game for 3 hours. So every 3 hours you need to check in, then you need to log on the game again. Level the more coins you have on your balance, the higher the level of your exchange is and the faster you can earn more coins. Invite your friends and you get bonuses. Pretty much the same thing, right? So all you need to do is click on play and this pop-up will appear. It's a bit slow for some reason. I don't know why. Alright, so we're going to cut to my phone because for some reason the Telegram desktop and web browser is not working for the entire day before it was. So now we're back to where we cut and to play. I either click play on the lower right corner of the screen with a blue play button or play in one click. So tap that and the Hamster Kombat app will now be launched properly. As you can see it still loads a bit and this is going to be what the interface look like. Now there is a few things you can do here. As you can see, if I tap, I get more coins. So I have over 1.2 million now. And how do you get coins? You can do the daily rewards like so. You can also do daily ciphers, which is kind of like a cool game. Daily combos, you need to choose the right combo of these cards. These are called cards so that you can mine them. And then you can also play the mini game, which for me, I don't like this. I don't have the patience for it. So, all right, once that's done, you can also click mining because it's the same thing, right? I'm tapping the main menu on the bottom right. And then you could also tap on playground where you can play mini games to earn keys. Our keys are very important in this app. Right is going back to earning coins. But for us to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, it's very easy. All you need to do is tap on airdrop on the lower right corner like so. And as you can see here, airdrop or location TV. There's two things, points, and as you can see here, passive income, earn, tasks, friends, achievement. These are all to be in because it's still not launched. So to withdraw, just tap on withdrawal, and to tap to withdraw, you need a Tone wallet. Now connect your Tone wallet. Just tap this, right? Your Tone wallet is connected. As you can see here, this is our Tone wallet here. Now we can't withdraw at the moment because there has been some issue with the Hamster Kombat team, so speculate that it's not going to push through. Some say they just need to fix things. So as you can see, you need a Tone wallet, right? This can be Tonekeeper, Binance, or any other wallet that has connected to the Tone blockchain, right? So you can press X. Are you sure you want to unether your Tone wallet? Yes, right? So I can show you now connect your Tone wallet. So it says here connect your Tone wallet again. Tap that. So you have options here. You have, like what I said, Tonekeeper, my Tone wallet, Tone Hub, the wallet, and other options. So let's tap Tonekeeper because that's where we're going to use. And as you can see, our Tonekeeper app is launched. So let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, connect wallet. So just tap connect wallet, like so, enter passcode. There you go. I almost forgot. So after that, as you can see here, we're going to go back to the Hamster Kombat bot in Telegram, and then once again, just open it after connecting your wallet. Right after that, go back to airdrop, go back to withdrawal, and as you can see, if you tap that, our Tone wallet is connected from Tonekeeper. Now, like what I said, like we just need to get to the notification that we could airdrop so that we could just withdraw to our Tone wallet our Hamster Kombat stuff, right? So as you can see here, all we can do is mine for now, but we'll be able to withdraw, pretty soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.